Why? Uyetsa so. Marawai. Lietsa so. I
wish I tease you. You're reading. And sound.
Yes. Namhlanje singena ngesonto bafowethu. Namhlanje singena ngesonto. Angithathala wangibeka la. Uyayazi ngoma leya se-primary. Samana bafowethu ni safe, ni mnandi, ni grant, ni agreed lapha what the Nemeda kabonina. Zing kutu. Unaja. Spaghetti.
Wednesday.
It's a Wednesday. It's a Wednesday.
Yeah,
It's a Wednesday. Wow.
Wednesday.
Welcome to the Lingo Breakfast Show. Machozi leo Lamborghini motetu raishanga ninja Miyamazi ngama ne brother yami UPO2 angazi umsuthu nje umtswala imoto ngathi zefini imoto yakho G-class awade wena phela ushintsha wade
asuyethala chintsha hayi mina ngama witness
Lale wavulethe awazulale Choba fethu it's a Wednesday yebo yes vukan lapho vukan Dumelan absheni hello Hey, kuneni teacher shayili zonileni ngalaha along. Sanmonani abangani abusheni it means hello. Why? Why do you need why they need? Lengo mawazi kuyo TV bebeshanjani. Abusheni means hello. Why? What's the need yokuthi utshela umuntu ukuthi abusheni means hello? Ngicela ispoon bro. What need they will find out. What they?
Or will they?
Or they won't. Of which now is it?
Well, sifrizile.
Strong.
Man, I'm gonna juice. I'm gonna juice. I'm gonna juice back. Sing a copy.
This is a fancy.
Now this is okay. So guys, what happened is the brother she juice to deep freeze. So Monday we are in deep thirst. But no be coffee, my God.
Check any juice.
Oh yeah, Joe. Yeah, it is our ice season.
Yeah.
Mamash, our taste, our fun. Ihor. Zupepe. Ready, guys.
Strong, you choose. I see.
Should be you put me the concentrated part. The salad the ice drizzle. Mother pig.
Joba fethu ni safe, ni mnandi ni agree. I not to say agree, man, not to say agree.
So we ice cream.
Asina stress.
Nope. Copy.
Asina stressy. Asina stressy. The Wednesday.
Marajo sikapi le.
Namhlanje sikhuluma ngama scam sawunga. Tasmania, good morning. It's been a while, man. Tasmania. Can you just Utiphithile man, Tasman man. It's been a minute.
That was Mutalaka December. Mutala Holy December. Good morning. Morning, my friend. Secret.
Long time, Tasman, long time. Hold on. Towel. Yeah, morning, Mateng, you Zep for secretary. Nami ni secretary, nathi si secretary la studio simnandi, simapoto simapani. Yeah, man.
Stock and knife kitchen then.
Yeah. So namhlanje ngifuna sididise elinye utaba man. Vandag man ngifuna sithi ukubona man, sithi ukubona nge ngento le bayibiza inokuskelenyana mara ya izekit.
She fly. She fly out. Ice juice. You take it fly. This ain't team la la.
Rejamuna te kai Tasman. Ay man ku chencha menu fela Tasman asu jamnati man. Tasman te vile jamna. Que brother. Ina tasamo. Ena kita ruiwoni direct Tasman.
What the?
Cara que sabotage. Kya sabotage ki busy ki jamarot. Mutu busy ka ripiati what. Ni wong audience yetu loyal. Ekwazile ukubona sabotage from 13 posts up. Yeah man.
That's my can Johan. And then 2. Diden. Kipaiti brother. Ang pailanga uwe brother. Ngono usikhuluma on air. Ang pailanga uwe.
It doesn't
Yena. Now he's making it seem like it's twisted. Horrible. Gonna make me look bad because what the?
Brother, your timing is everything.
The position.
Nilento mwenye si demi timing yakona. Wana wachisa no msabotage tsina guys. What the? Ki December Tasman, ki December the festives are here bafowethu. Black Friday sesekhona nje.
Ngathi ephelile manje.
Black Friday was crazy. Kiboni somewhere it was crazy. Water everywhere. Clothes floating.
Where?
Yeah. There was a mall lobo shaye ipat.
Wow.
Ngati, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere in Rustenburg. If I tell him Vula lingenile mall and Black Friday, you see horror. Yeah, so we will Black Friday. I want to have a tapela. Yeah, see a float and it's keep us at night.
My security.
Your man.
Yes.
Brother, you ain't in a security.
Don't do that.
You ain't in a security. Zatanza. Nijobe liswima lilanda makegi. Lishinchi embe.
It's December.
December, my favorite. December.
We will have a Christmas this year.
Yo.
World AIDS Day.
It's the 1st of December.
World AIDS Day. Not.
World AIDS Day. AIDS I say Congress. Or it's a second.
It's another interesting to know. Will they even promote it? Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it's World AIDS Day or something.
No, but I need to imagine. In the midst of pandemic, Focus on the one who is not saying anything.
But we are still under national
Close
disaster.
it down your.
We are still under a disaster. See horror.
Yeah,
It's a good disaster.
for 2 years.
You've been in disaster though.
You can be in a disaster for 2 years.
For the
Disaster for 2 years. Ngoba the typhoon
No,
shine
you've been in
3 days.
disaster for the past 40 years. Oh, wow. The last 20 something.
No, Mara.
Doji, and
I
the
mean,
last
never
20
came-
other was even Doji.
Lela itikelile. So bafethu today ngifuna sikhulume ngendaba yecam. Yabona? Especially ekuqala iDecember manje kuba rife. Kuba rife ngecam kuba rife.
Njengale abantu abathi badobha imali. Umuntu athi udobha imali like bakubonise yona, bakutshengise yona.
Yeah.
Yo, imali sibona isithuba sishare. Ngolila sathi umama usisi, manje asishare. Okay, yeah. Siye backjitsu. So lapho it's either in most cases beba either bakutshontshele over some belongings or bakidnap now. Yeah. Human trafficking stance.
Serious?
So scamming is not just about your items, your border,
What the
yourself. Yo. Kushe. Oh, itope. By the I make sure itopa uwe. Kushe tu asishare wote. Ingaka asa.
So amaphepha.
Amaphepha. Ngithola kushe asa. Kanti bayo either bakidnapper or bamba inkunzi or both.
Gents, ngicela nibe careful ngecam uDecember and the other thing nibe careful ngabantu bobusisi ngoba igebengu manje zisebenzisa bona in terms of izinto ezibhaya.
Kusha i-shape shifting.
Zisebenzisa abosisi for in terms of izinto ezibhaya because they know ukuthi abosisi siyabatrusta
Shape shifting
for some
technique.
reason, yabo. Ejo, leyo ihora.
Yeah, I hope. And the man they go busy obvious. December boss.
Ubona ita.
Joe, kusha Joe wabona itawo. Maybe ubona maybe 5 star. But kusha ama 2 clip bangithi
Yeah.
babe 2 clip ngapha nana.
Yeah.
Ubona.
Phakathi.
Yeah.
Stash.
Yeah. Nasi.
Yes.
Bona my lord.
Bafowethu December.
Yasi. Manje siye mabanga sibona camera jithi yazi. Asingaphandle. Okay la. This. Nya repeat ngoba serious. Ungabi busy. Ngoba imali yayenza la.
Yeah, bafowethu ningabe busy.
Like noma ungadopa
And it
10
goes
rand
to-
on the floor
it
uba
goes-
busy kusha.
It goes for everyone, Joyous. Ulo uphethe imali yakhe.
Yeah. Uthe ejo imali somehow. Uloku
Impande
save.
sona. Impande
Mara
sona.
ushisi yo thema.
No, impande sona. Bafowethu like
So be careful guys.
December, those ones who just came in now, December, please be careful. Ikeme ziyaqala.
Nyabuya ngithasa.
Ikeme ziyaqala. Like ube careful.
They try.
Like kuqala ikeme manje i2nd December until the 30th December abantu sebarife. Ngiyamuzwa ubrother ukhuluma ngescam sokuthi umuntu udobha imali akaqeda athi nishare. Niye khona inoyishare. Anifika ngale
Bakumele.
wena awusabuyi. Yebo bafethu ningabe busy
Fresh.
Ningabe busy.
And again, it's not
uthola
just
ama SMS bathi win something.
it's not just practical. It's not just practical. Via in person.
Yeah.
Also fourth industrial guys.
Yeah.
They also upgrade with the technologies.
Yeah.
I'm a scammer. I'm a deviator. But I upgrade. So be careful. Be careful guys. It. Tricky. Tricky on the road. Tricky off road. Tricky with the same.
Yeah, I'll treat you, but
December
be
treat.
safe.
Let's be safe.
Secretary. Yeah, none if you know of any scams that people should be aware of, please let us know. Please
No
let us
matter
know.
how little or big,
Because it's scam. Kuna bantu lapha scam trans. You can imagine that scam trans.
Ngithi bathe bangishana ngescam ku-train leya kuyihora leya. Enitsho lapha sho kahle kwasha i-fosteling idlalile ngoba kwasha ikuphi? No, isho ukuthi ikuphi ya kwasha what isho ukuthi ikuphi kwasha ila kwasha ayikho. So dlala futhi ungawazi. Uyangithola? Kwasha no hayi kwasha adlala ungawazi kwasha ikhifi let's let it some 10 watt. So mafedi la. So mi ayila mara manje mele uphinde. Wasihora le. Yeah, kwasha no mara mele ngwini le one leshisa jobe ungakhulumi phezulu. Kwasha what? Kwasha no dlala futhi. Washa what? Azange ngithole this time. Washa le mina unethi 10 rand. Washa no, washa babe uzaka. Washa what? Washa ya uzaka. Abu mami, washa Lorenzo. Yo, asihora le.
Sebaqamba inkuni.
Yeah. He's scared.
Yo.
Yeah, our brother back for
Like baqamba inkuni.
Yeah.
Nethi manje bayenza ngathi bayenza igame.
Yeah, washa what?
Kuthi siwinile le mali.
Mara manje abakhona ku
Yeah.
Ubona uyabona manje washa what? Letha le 10 rand. Letha washa what mara letha. Washa. Muzi kahle kahle bebafuna bebangahlepula phone, hlepula abasafe ngetrain. So guys, they
Yo,
train. Man.
yo.
Mara anyway.
Isitimela sihamba ngamala.
Ngafuna scam lo Gautrain.
Hey brother.
So you are not safe. It doesn't matter where you are.
Like umuntu ubhizi yokulandelela. Kwesha lo what there. Literally angisuka la ngihlala la uyasuka uhlala duze nami daytime.
Yeah, let's get.
Ngathi lo ngizomshaya ngejitsu. Ungithole ngiawake. So ihora yakhe ukuthi bekangakeni ukuthi ngiyapi.
Over you figure.
Ngiyohlika phela iGautrain trick bayahlikini. Yabona?
Yeah.
Itayithi midrand bayahlika. Bahlika. Yabona? Angihlika, ahlike sharp. Ngiyambona uyeza ngiyenzani? Yeah.
Uza ngepace.
Yeah. Ngiyenzani? Ngiyatheka ngiyaphuma. Uyatheka uyaphuma ngiyatheka ngiyathenya ngiyabuya.
Risk. Risk.
Security. Ku-Gautrain weka-risk. I-security si-wife. So yena inkinga yakhe ukuthi ihora yakhe ukuthi lapha ku-Gautrain sebangiphethe.
Ngoba besiyidiscussa le ndaba ukuthi ijobe yangeka.
Sebangiphethe yabona ngena ukusha thithere.
Net uzakapa ngescammer siza kubamba kugcwele abohati.
Yeah.
Scammer sibhese.
Yeah,
In the midst of darkness, daylight.
Abanye basebenza nabo.
Yeah.
Mahati.
Or maybe not the security.
Abanye basebenza.
No. Imshani ignorance.
Yeah.
No.
So after December, be careful.
But guys, apart from that, let's hope we are not going to go under lockdown. December last year began null and void.
No, last year fit. What this year? Wow. I want to have my election. It proved we can live with the disease and survive. Because we are Africans, we conquer everything. And everyone. We are the conqueror. We are the conqueror. Nibonile guys, it's conquering. Ngeskipe si yellow. COVID yasaba lesaskipe. Funa December sitoke zona kuphela. So
mara bezishi
so basekethe.
Bezishi keeper.
Yeah, bezisha ubona abantu bebagcokeze EFF. Viva AFF, viva!
We shall see.
Mwina makoko. No, begagura le EFF.
Yo.
Viva AFF, viva! She understands the content. Because no, she understands ukuthi EFF ivela ku ANC. So akafuni ukushayithi. Yeah, ungena umuntu omdala. Umuntu omdala kusho wisdom youth yang understand yala.
Viva yeah.
Viva AFF, viva. Yay! Akaqeda utikali letha. Umuntu omdala, bahlekani umuntu omdala.
I experience.
Yini lento le bayihlekayo. And bafethu, one last thing that I wanted to talk about before sibaleka. Bafethu, la ngikhuluma namashita.
Yani?
Namashita.
Yeah. Masutu no.
Bafethu uthi if akasakufuni phuma kuye.
Uthi la ukhuluma nabajita. Ngitshela ukuthi la nikhuluma namajita. What the? Okay.
Bafethu if uthi akasakufuni.
Rub it out of the heads. What the?
phuma kuyi.
Ibuya the 411. Optra.
No man.
Hey,
I read something ukuthi omunye umtshite Soweto kunaludi
Lincoln GBV
cutting pieces fridge.
Unjini? Or what that? What's happening konje? Fill us in. What's happening?
Angazi angiscan kahle story mara manje what intrigued me is that I was listening to an interview when they were interviewing one of his friends and he was saying that was a good guy. Like he was shocked, you know.
When are you traumatized?
Like trauma.
Yeah, but that's it's the whole.
Because even if maybe we can say he plotting or sabotage me, but everything yako. Everything yako.
Maybe something.
No, what I know would every person when they are angry they can do something.
I don't want you anymore.
Unholy, right? When you are angry, we must try. That is why Batiguwecho, you must try to be not low anga wisita anga embrace leyo party. No, not ukuthi ngizefu
leyo party
ukuthi uswitch off emhlabeni ube isilwana for a minute. Leyo di dangerous for wena. You understand? No, uyabona nje umuntu ophila naye nje.
Ushaya umshini.
Like uyabona umuntu ophila naye. And uyabona ukuthi when you are in an intense situation u react kanjani. Uyabona? Laba ukuthi nje ukwazi ukuyipressa leyo button. Awusila wena. Ukasimketsisilo.
Shama ama special.
Asikwatila sithi awusilo. No matter awusilo but asikwatila. Awukwatila uyenzi yonke. So bafuthu please
uzakushanga whole weekend.
And December bafuthu abajita baya aboshiwe December. December is very dangerous. You already will come to ukuthi December uhlala still.
Uzakapa.
16 December beningafuni ngiye ku trip.
Uzakapa.
Belingafuni ngiye namajita ku trip bekusha uhlala still istrata sigcwele abantu bayahlanya ibhamu December. Yabona December amajita ibhamu but you can even see Ekasi December when you go to Ekasi amajita ematransini ama sound yabona amabwele itshwala vibe and leyo vibe ingaqedelela nightmare because abanye bajabula too much abasa focus yabona kushe mangwena utlatimela yabona so please bafowethu December please zinakekeleni hopefully sihlangane next year.
Let's hlangana next year, please.
No, asithi kuti asayenzi show. We are saying kuti take care of yourself. Today is the 1st of December until the last day of December. You know, take care of yourself and keep on joining the show. Soon we'll be going to Facebook. Soon we'll be going to Facebook. What are the producer not for me?
No, Yavuma. What the? Oh, yes. But via both links.
Yes. So it will be camera 1, it will be Facebook, camera 2, it will be Insta.
Yes.
So sizawasimphethe nonke kuzaba kushuma kuzaba kunyiwa bafethu very soon no December we'll introduce that and then we'll move the time of the show kuzoba mnandi kuzoba lit. You don't have to wake up in the morning anymore if you don't feel like waking up in the morning, if you don't have anything
but
to
it's
do.
Not an afternoon drive.
No, but it's not an afternoon drive. It's not an afternoon drive. But it will be in the morning somewhere along those parameters.
Guys,
morning Nicholas, morning Tiwato. Zef bafethu nathi sizef simnandi sizekete. December manyalo boss. December manyalo boss. So how many marriages are you going to this December? How many marriages are you going to? Because marriage December yomshado bafethu January yokukhanya.
April ma. About saying April.
Imshado December, January uyakhanya. January. January, that's when you realize after Zebula with yes.
Stimulate. Marawai, Iman Aliso.
But then, there are a lot of marriages. Love being about December, January. I want a problem.
Oh, no, what can I?
Yeah.
Oh, it's your duty general.
Oh, yeah,
water. Oh,
yeah. So it means that I got to see at the end of January or February.
Guys,
for it to last.
December and bow now.
He joke. And hey, people buying higher for by Stroy, buying higher for by MC, but waiting now buy anything. I'm shouting. Please, you know my contact. Brother, you, like I sing guma marriage. Bafetu ni wife ni marriage ni wife. Hayarani December ngifuna lawo makiki. December ngifuna lawo makiki.
Yego kwepa.
Ndinginike iline eyi-1 ye bathini ye MC. Dumalang, amshiyeni hello. Ridumeriza baba mzali ridumerize baba munna. Riri hawa kachenu man ritakani kachenu humunati kachenu warataniwa. Brother, utia sister. Executive today. So hey, this is marketing enough. Nigga everything. That's why I'm selling my soul.
My family,
she's executive. So yeah, and then you enter interesting ngoba ngilanda iyo lady. Ngilibuze if belifuna ngoba abanye babe bebangafuni umuntu uhlezi
mina ngathi ufuna ucela i-trouble. Double trouble. Uzaka.
Anteta ngintatene ngishaya ingoma zesonto nayazi ingoma yesonto emshadweni yenzani.
Zupe
ingoma yesonto emshadweni yenza ukuthi i-communion ibe sekete
everywhere shayiti. Bazekete. I feel one is cat. Colors of bone, you was a solar each
Adios! Muchachos, careful of the scams.